Hey guys, back with another room with a review. Today we are in Mukilteo, Washington at the Hilton Garden Inn. This property sits about 30 minutes north of Seattle, downtown Seattle. It is a stone's throw from the Boeing Future of Flight Museum, and it's right next to Paine Field. I just thought I'd pop my head into the Future of Flight Museum. You can go on a tour here. You can do a factory tour. There is a paper plane cafe, and there's also the company store here as well. So I'll show you the lobby and some of the amenities here in a minute, but I'm going to start today with the guest rooms. This is a double queen room. It is really well lit. And the first thing that you'll notice here is a coffee station off to the left. They have a mini fridge underneath that you can put your waters in. There's a Keurig here with some K-cups and creamer, some additional cups. There's a microwave up here on the top as well. An area here for your bags, which I really like. Double queen beds here, as I already mentioned. There's some lamps on the nightstand, which is a nice touch. We'll check the thermostat. It's set to 69. It is cold in this room. On the nightstand there is a phone. There's also a charger here, an inductive charger. There's plenty of power, USB ports as well. A little bit of extra seating area over here with a chair. And then the view is pretty nice. You can see Paine Field out there. You can see the Boeing facility and some of the planes that are in manufacturing state. And then this window does have reclining blackout shades so that you can block out the sun in the morning. There's a large work desk area. There is a kind of the Boeing motif here, so you can see a picture here of William Boeing on the wall. Some drawers. Take a look at the closet here off to the right. There's a bit of storage cubes, and then you've got your hangers area here for some of your luggage. There's an ironing board and an iron. Weird little peephole. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So the bathrooms are clean. They've got all the amenities that you would want. There's some Zero is the name of the product. Body lotion. There's a bar of soap here as well by Zero. The mirrors are nice. They've got the lights embedded in the mirrors itself. There is shampoo and conditioner against the wall here while you're in the shower. And then let's check out the pressure. Pretty good. Pretty good pressure. You can turn this dial to different nozzles, but the pressure just on this setting is pretty good. Just to give you an idea of the desk size here, I've been traveling with this external display for work, so I'm going to set up both of these, my laptop and the display side by side, and you can see how much room is still available on the desk. It does have a 50-inch flat panel, which is a smart TV. It's got access to all your streaming services here, even a Peloton, so you can do some exercise in the room if you want. So I headed out to Mukilteo Landing to get some dinner. There's a really picturesque lighthouse here that has immaculate grounds. It's right next to the Ivar's, which is a full-service seafood restaurant chain that's rooted here in Seattle. They've got fish and chips and crab cakes and clam chowder. They also have a full-service restaurant here as well, which is has a patio dining that butts right up against the waterfront. I would highly recommend the clam chowder, especially when it's a little bit on the cooler side outside. So back at the Hilton Garden, this is a look at the lobby. It's very welcoming and airy in here. They got floor-to-ceiling windows, which let in a lot of natural light. There is warm woods and neutral tones. You can see the fireplace, which makes it very cozy. There is a marketplace here, as well as an American grill and a full bar. This space really doubles as a casual meeting and hangout space with the soft seating and an area for business travelers to kind of catch up on emails. There's also a patio out here that you can sit on as well, watch the planes come in. And don't forget about those free cookies. Get them while they're warm, and then you can spend some time in the gym working those off. They've got a nice area here with Peloton bikes and treadmills and free weights.